Let's clear up some confusion. Unlike your smartphone, you can't fully uninstall pre-installed music apps like Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, or TuneIn from your Tesla. Tesla's system is designed for security and optimization, so apps are integrated into the firmware. However, you can effectively remove them from your home screen and search results, decluttering your interface. This video will show you how. There are two levels of removal in Tesla's infotainment system. Hiding an app from the home screen, available since 2022, simply removes the icon from your main touchscreen view. This reduces visual clutter, but the app can still appear in searches. Removing it from search, introduced in the V13 software update, prevents the app from appearing in voice searches like "Hey Tesla, play music," or text-based queries. This is the key to truly decluttering your Tesla's infotainment system. First, navigate to the Controls menu on your Tesla's touchscreen. Then tap Display in the Controls menu. Next, tap Customize App Launcher. A list of apps will appear. Simply uncheck the box next to the app you want to hide, such as Pandora or SiriusXM. The app icon will disappear from your home screen. To get it back, just recheck the box. This helps eliminate visual clutter on your Tesla's home screen. For Teslas running software V13 or later, check your software version in the Software section. Go to Controls on your Tesla's touchscreen. Navigate to Software, then select Apps. Select the music app you want to remove from search. Find the toggle labeled Include in Search and switch it to the off position. Now that app won't appear in your search results or voice commands. This feature minimizes app clutter in searches and only works in software V13 and later. Tesla's closed system prioritizes security and seamless integration. By integrating apps directly into the firmware, Tesla reduces the risk of malware and ensures consistent performance. While it might seem restrictive, this approach helps maintain the overall stability and safety of your vehicle. Hidden apps optimize performance by reducing background processes and demand. The app hiding process works primarily in the US and Europe, where Tesla's software updates allow full customization of home screen and search visibility. However, in other regions like China, certain pre-installed apps might be more difficult to hide due to local regulations and market-specific integrations. For example, in China, apps like QQ Music might not have the Include in Search toggle available, making it harder to remove them from search results. This is because of regional requirements for integrated services. Always check your local Tesla documentation or community forums for specific instructions tailored to your region, as features can vary based on local laws and partnerships. If you're having trouble hiding music apps from your Tesla's home screen or removing them from search, the first step is to ensure your vehicle is running the latest software version. Tesla frequently updates its infotainment system, and older versions might not include the advanced app management features introduced in software updates. If the app management toggles are missing from your settings, try restarting your Tesla. This can refresh the system and make hidden features available. To restart, hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel simultaneously until the screen goes black, then release. The vehicle will reboot and reload all software components. If the problem persists after checking your software and restarting, contact Tesla support for assistance. You can reach them through the Tesla app, website, or by calling their customer service line. Provide details about your vehicle model, software version, and the specific issue you're experiencing. Tesla's support team can diagnose deeper system issues or guide you through additional troubleshooting steps. Tesla is constantly evolving its software through regular over-the-air updates that bring new features and improvements to the vehicle's infotainment system. The current trend is toward greater personalization, where users can customize their vehicle's interface to match their preferences, much like a smartphone. Future updates, potentially by 2027 or 2028, might offer even more granular control over apps, possibly allowing selective uninstalls for non-essential services, while keeping core features secure. AI could automatically hide unused apps based on usage patterns, making the interface cleaner and more efficient without manual intervention. To stay updated, keep an eye on Tesla's official software releases and user forums like Tesla Motors Club for the latest developments in app management. As demand for advanced software features increases, Tesla will continue to innovate and find new ways to implement user-centric app management solutions.